Join us today as we call on Rhett's tow service to pull us out of the mud. Oh no, I got the golf cart stuck in the mud. I need to call Rhett's tow service. Maybe he can help.
Hello?
Hey Rhett, can you help me? I'm stuck in the mud. Can you bring your tow line and pull me out?
Me right here.
Thanks, bye. You brought your tow line? Are you ready to help me get out of that mud puddle? Thank you so much. All right, let's go see if you can pull me out. Thank you so much. My tires got stuck in that yucky mud. All right, I'm ready when you are. Way to go, you did it! You did such a good job, look what you did! You pulled the golf cart out of that mud puddle. Look at those deep ruts. Rhett's towing service is so good. Good job, thank you, buddy. Now we gotta go take the golf cart and wash it off. Now let's revisit another job well done by Rhett's tow service as he tows in a broken down four-wheeler. Rhett, what happened to your four-wheeler? It stopped working? Oh no! Do you want to tow it to the garage and work on it? Okay, you got your tractor, and I've got the rope. Let's go tow your four-wheeler back and work on it. You ready? Let's go. All right, you gonna hook up your rope? Yep.
Uh-oh.
Hook it on. Maybe we should hook it to the handlebars. All right, do you think it's ready?
No.
Rhett made his way back to the garage. Now it's time to remove the rope, get his tool belt, and fix his four-wheeler. All right, you want to get your tool belt?
Okay.
You got your drill. All right, grab your tool belt.
Okay.
All right, let's go work. Using your screwdrivers? All right, you fixed the wheel? Good job. Got your wrench? You tightening it up? Good job. All right, grab your screwdriver and take that screw out, Rhett. Let's look at the engine. Is that where the engine is?
Yeah.
All right, let's look inside. All right, do you think it needs some work?
Yeah.
Maybe you need to tighten it up with your wrench. All right, grab your wrench. Let's do some tightening. Oh, you can use the hammer. Screwdriver. There you go. Your drill. Let's take a look in there and see what might be the problem. I don't know yet, but I think you're gonna fix it. Very good. All right.
Look.
Do you think that's gonna work?
Yeah.
All right, let's put the lid back on. Put the seat cover back on. Good job. All right, tighten the screw back up with the screwdriver. Use the one in your hand.
Maybe good job. Maybe good job. Maybe good job.
You did a great job. Are you screwing the screw back in?
Yeah.
Good job, buddy.
Hmm.
Turn that screwdriver.
They go. And
That is a long screw, isn't it?
yeah. Look.
All right, do you think it's tight? I think so.
They top.
Way to go, bud. All right, let's check it out. Okay, Rhett, do you think you fixed it? All right, we're gonna try it out. All right, let's give it a go. 1, 2, 3, go! Yahoo, it's working! Good job, buddy. Thanks for joining Rhett today as he went on call with Rhett's Tow Service. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more learning and fun.